Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.